Hey guys, welcome. This is how to disable an app on iPhone. So guys, to do this, you have to just simply go through the settings into your phone. And now, once you are here, you could just simply scroll down and go for the general. Here on the general, you could just simply go ahead and select iPhone storage, and now you should be able to see all of the list of applications that you are installed into your phone. So from here, just simply select the application that you want to turn off or block. And for example, the application will be this one, Duolingo. And now you can just simply go ahead and select Offload app and select Offload app. And guys, after that, once you have done that, you will now be disabling the app or turning it off, and you will not receive any message, none of that. So, but the app will be still on your home screen, and if you want to completely remove it, you could just simply remove the app. But when you tap on it, guys, it will automatically reinstall, and there you go.